Good evening. I am back with with another political video. As you all know, that I have been posting some political videos from the last few days, mainly regarding the Bengal politics. And this video I am doing in English because I have few friends in other parts of India as well as other parts of the world who are not Bengali speaking people, and they want to understand the scenario of the Bengal elections, because this election has become a matter of national interest, it seems. So anyhow, they requested me that since they don't understand Bengali, they requested me to please make a video in either Hindi or English. Frankly speaking, though I am very fluent in Hindi, but I don't feel like talking in Hindi that much. For me, English is a much more comfortable language. I can speak fluently in Hindi though, but I am not very comfortable in speaking in Hindi. So English is better for me, and Bengali obviously is my heart, so I've been doing it in Bengal. Well, sorry, I got a call, so I had to take it. Anyhow, so that's the reason I'll be making this video in English to explain to them what has happened. Yes, there has been a change in Bengal. Trinamool Congress has lost and BJP is in power. They have come with a huge mandate. People of Bengal has voted blindly for BJP. The main reason, if you want to understand why, is because of Mamata Banerjee and the Trinamool Congress doing excessive corruption here, from scams after scams, from education scam to Narada, Sharada, everything, from recruitments, every aspect, from stealing coal to stealing silicon, everything, whatever was available in Bengal, the natural resources as well as the education, everything they have sold it off. And this huge scam has resulted in a defeat, and the muscle power and the way people of Trinamool Congress were treating the people of Bengal, they were frustrated. They just wanted to come out. It was a suffocating condition in Bengal, and they wanted to come out, and they just blindly voted for BJP. Yes, there was another. The question is whether other options were available or not. Yes, they were available. Communist Party was also there. We tried our level best, but people did not have faith in us. Somewhere money power matters, because we as a political party, we run mainly on the contributions of the people, the comrades and various other supporters who contribute generously, and hence we run the party, but we are not beneficiaries of any type of electoral bond or stuff like that. So we have a financial weakness, and people did not had faith in us, so they voted for BJP. Yes, that is fine. This voting will take Bengal towards a cultural degradation. That is confirmed. There is no doubt about it, and it has already began. Bengalis, when they are happy, they prefer Rabindranath or remembering Kabi Nazrul Islam. We sing, we enjoy, we dance with their tunes. But after BJP win, it's all about Bhojpuri songs and DJs with lights and like the culture which we are not very much accustomed with. But anyhow, the way BJP is oriented, they will obviously have the celebration in that way, which is obviously a cultural degradation as far as the Bengali is concerned. Vandalizations have started, and they don't know, the people don't know what they are happening. Actually, what is happening is the Trinamool goons are only shifting to BJP now. Yes, because today when these possessions are coming out, you can identify faces. It is clearly identifiable that these people were yesterday in Trinamool, or just before the elections they were Trinamool, and just after when the election started they realized and they have shifted off. That has happened. So basically the population remains the same, the goons remains the same, only the color changes. And specifically another very bad culture with Bengal is that the Toto and the auto people, they change drastically. Yesterday afternoon it was Trinamool Congress. All these stands were with Trinamool Congress flags, and in the evening when you go, it's all BJP. It's done and tested. The speed with which they change their color, well, at the same speed they drive, there will be a huge loss. There will be huge accidents and huge loss of life. But anyhow, they don't do that. That's something which is good for us, at least for people who travel in public transport. That is good. But that has happened. Yes, people did not think left as an alternative. They thought BJP. We all know what BJP has done for last so many years in the national politics. Women's safety has gone for a toss. Bengalis believe that the women in Bengal will be more safe, but if you see the track record of BJP, we all know what has happened. They expect RG Kaur, rape victim, to get justice. Well, Hathras and Unnao is still under pending. So, and everywhere, in everyday women harassment and women being raped, thrown away, killed in BJP ruled states are coming up. We all know that, and that there is nothing new, because they basically believe in Manusmriti, and Manusmriti doesn't allow you to respect women. I'm sorry, but that is the fact. They believe in that. As a Brahmin, I should be, I will show you that. Yes, I'm a Brahmin. So as a Brahmin, I should be happy with the implementation of Manusmriti, but I am very sad about it. I don't want that. I don't want, because as Shankaracharya said, the reason for the degradation of Hinduism is Hindus themselves. Not only Hindus, the Brahmins, the upper caste Hindus, because of their caste system and their atrocities, the Hindu religion has been under degradation. So anyhow, and this Manusmriti is one of them. BJP believes in Manusmriti, but unfortunately they are in India where they cannot implement it because constitution is there, and they do not have the number to change the constitution in the parliament. If they try, they fail. So constitution is quite strong. Jai Bhim for that. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar has created a strong constitution, and they are not able to change the constitution. So anyhow, that is the scenario right now in Bengal. We are not in a very good position. As we all know, we are under the, in Bengali we say from, kumi, that is from crocodile to a shark, magramach. So from crocodile we have shifted to shark. Now let's see how badly we suffer. But people have done one thing good, that they have taken the courage to outthrow Mamata Banerjee within 15 years for our bad governance. Hopefully people will realize that we also need to think somewhere that giving a too long a term to a government might not be very helpful for the state. A 5 years term and a change every 5 years might actually benefit the state of Bengal. Whichever party it might be. As a communist, I also say the same thing, that if CPIM comes to power, they also be changed after 5 years. Yes, then only that urge of working for the people and the state development remains. If I know that I have 15 years, 20 years, 30 years time, I will relax. I will not do anything. I know I will be in power. What to politicians, what is important or what matters is power. Communist Party is different, but still, it comes, it sets in. Politics, the political science and the political mentality sets in. So that should not happen. Hope the people of Bengal will realize that very soon, and there will be a change again in the next election to 2031. As the BJP's manifesto themselves, they have said, they have gone to the people of left and the left voters, and they have requested them to vote for them. Yes, left voters have voted for them only this time, a huge number. Some people like us are exception, but there are a good number of left voters who have voted for them, because the BJP has been able to reach to them and get that one idea into their brain, that if you bring Ram today, the next term is for Bam, that is left. That is something, very foolish. To you people it might be foolish, but to Bengalis it might be a great idea. But to you people, I know it will be a foolish idea, because you have a different thought process, you are more intelligent and you think more openly. But it is fact, they have done that and people have believed, and it has done. So unfortunately, if now Ram is done, so next term is Bam, that is left. Hoping for a good change in near future. And by the time the government runs, I seriously expect that they will be running well. They will go for a good governance. Personally, I don't have much hope, because I have been in Bangalore for 18 years and I have faced BJP rule. And I know what BJP is. What are the things they will be going to do? I am very clear about it. Now all my Bangalorean friends listening to me, they also know, I guess. Anyhow, so I am not going to extend this too much. That is about Bengal elections in nutshell. Yes, Mamata Banerjee has lost, and the BJP is in power. Anyhow, expecting a better change tomorrow. Lal Salam, Inqilab Zindabad. Thank you.